2023 GMC Sierra 2500HD. With less than 41,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.